What's up, my gangsters? Welcome to the second Android tutorial for entwicklers.com. Again with me Dinesh, also called D. In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up a package and your own emulator and installation of SDK preferences. So guys, before consider on a project, you have to set up your preferences over SDK manager. So guys, just open your folder in which you downloaded the ATD bundle windows. I have downloaded this on my documents. So guys, just double click on this ATD bundle like this. Here you can see a three folder like Eclipse, SDK and SDK manager. So guys, you have to choose your preferences over SDK manager. So just double click on SDK manager like this. It will take some time to open. Here you can see the Android SDK manager window. So guys, basically I'm gonna tell you guys what is Android SDK manager. By the word manager, you can see it's a management tool through which you can by which you can download your own API levels like API 18, API 17 or API 16 and so on up to API 10, API etc. So guys, you have to install all of these API levels and before starting a project. So guys, by clicking on this checkbox like this, you can install all of these API levels like this by clicking or by hitting and on this install packages button. So guys, here you can see a two radio button over present over here in this SDK manager window, followed by the name sort by. One is API level. After installation of API levels, all of these API levels or choose your preference in, you have to install your repository like this. By clicking on the repository, you have to install all of these repository. So guys, by clicking on the checkbox, you will able to install your repository, and by hitting on enter on this install packages, you will install all of these repositories. So guys, before starting a project on Android or Eclipse, you will able to install all of these, otherwise it will not work properly. So guys, please install it. So after installation of these SDK manager or choose the preference over SDK manager, just open one of the folder in the ATD bundle like Eclipse. Just open this Eclipse folder. Here you can see the Eclipse application icon. It's like a Mars icon, guys. It's a Mars icon. No, I'm just kidding, guys. It's a very good IDE present over these days. You just double click on this. You have to double click on this Eclipse like this. It will take some time to open. Here you can see Android Developers Tools ATD. So guys, what is this? This is a workspace launcher or workspace, you can say workspace launcher applet. Here you can see basically what is workspace. Workspace is that thing in which you want to save your app or your project. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to change the workspace. So guys, just hitting the browse button and just save your app anywhere or throughout your computer. Anywhere in the computer you can save your Android app or its project. So I'm gonna save my Android app in E drive, followed by the Android apps one folder, and by clicking on this OK button or hitting enter on this OK, you will able to set your workspace in the E drive Android apps one. Let me show you one more thing, guys. This is your checkbox. By clicking or by hitting on this checkbox, you will able to set this workspace as a default. It will never show you again. So if you want to set it as a default, then hit enter on this. If not, then skip this. I'm gonna skip this. So guys, hit enter. So guys, it will take some more time to load. So basically Android apps is based on Java, C and C++. So guys, I'm gonna use Java because it is purely based on OOPS and its concept is very sharp. So guys, if you don't have a programming background, then It's not a problem, guys. Just follow all of my Android series. It will surely enhance your knowledge. So see you in the next tutorial, guys, in which you will learn how to set up a Android AVD manager or also Android virtual device, or how to set up a basic Android project. Thank you, guys. See you in the next tutorial.